The roll shop equipment. 1000. The backup roll station. Description of the backup roll station. The unit, also called the choker, has been designed to execute disassembling and assembling operations of the bar chokes on the roll neck. The system for disassembling and reassembling the chokes of the backup cylinder consists of two main parts. 1. A roller station, for the rotation of the roll backup cylinder. 2. Two shuttles, placed on the sides of the roller station. The roller station. The roller station consists of a base frame, to be fixed to the foundations by tie rods. The frame structure includes the V-shaped supports, covered with nylon for the rolling cylinders. Levers, mounted on the base frame by means of spherical joints, and driven by two hydraulic cylinders. On the levers are mounted idle rollers and motorized rollers through epicycloidal reducers and hydraulic motors. The rollers are rubberized to avoid damaging the surface of the rolling cylinder. The shuttles. There are two shuttles, positioned on both sides of the roller station. They consist of a base frame, to be fixed to the foundations by means of tie rods. Two shuttles, with two idle rectangular-shaped wheels, and two idle trapezoidal-shaped wheels, sliding along the aforementioned rails, by means of a hydraulic cylinder, fixed to the base frame. The upper part of the carriage can be raised by means mechanical jacks, driven by hydraulic motor. In order to prevent the overturning of the backup cylinder during the changeover operations, manual anti-tipping jaws have been provided. Two columns, placed at the end of each extractor, with the control unit consisting of three command levers, by which it is possible to manually manage the carriage's translation. Two operator panels, one at each end of the machine, are provided to manage and set the operations of the backup roll station. 1. The roller station movement. The roller station can be moved down and up by the corresponding lever. Two. The shuttle movements. The carriage plate can be moved down by using the first lever from the right. And moved up using the same lever, but in the opposite direction. The carriage can be moved horizontally, retracting from the roller station by using the second lever from the right. Of course, the carriage can be moved approaching to the roller station, using the same lever, but in the opposite direction. Three. The backup cylinder rotation. The backup cylinder can be rotated counterclockwise, using the third lever from the right. Or rotated clockwise, using the third lever from the right, but in the opposite direction.